Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from application of derivatives. The question is if the function f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b defined on closed interval 1 comma 3 satisfies Rolle theorem. Okay, for c equal to 2 root 3 plus 1 by root 3, then the values of a and b. We have three conditions so that it satisfies the Rolle's theorem. What are those function conditions? First of all, the function must be continuous. The second one is the function must be differentiable. And the third rule is that f of a equals to means, say for example, the function is a closed function satisfies under closed interval of a comma b. So f of a equal to f of b. Okay, when these three satisfied by the given function, then we can say satisfies Rolle's theorem. It is given in the question, it is given already, it satisfies the Rolle's theorem. So any of the three must be applicable to this function. So I am taking this f of a equals to f of b condition. So f of a here in the close interval what 1 comma 3, right? So here what is the function? F of x equals to x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b is the function, and 1 comma 3 is the close interval which satisfies. So f of 1 equals to f of 3. So substitute 1 in the place of x. What you will get? 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square is 1 plus ax plus b means a plus b is equals to, substituting 3 in this equation, 3 cube means 27 minus 3 square is 9, 6 are 54 plus 3a plus b, which implies this becomes minus 5 plus a plus b equal to 27 minus 54 is minus 27 plus 3a plus b, which implies just transposing both 3a plus b minus a minus b is equals to 27 minus 5, which implies plus b minus b cancel, 3a minus a is 2a equals 27 minus 5 is 22. A equals to 22 by 2, which is equals to 11. Therefore, a is equals to 11, right? And one more thing, if we observe the differential equation for this function, if we differentiate this function, that is f dash of x, differentiating the equation d by dx of x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b, which is equals to, if you differentiate it, you will get 3x square. This you will get 6 to the 12x plus a, right? If you differentiate, okay, this is the differentiable equation after differentiation. What you observe here in this equation, the above equation is what we say. Mm, the above equation is not having b in that. Okay, so the a value is 11, and what can be the b value? B value belongs to r, that is real numbers. Understood? If you substitute 1 or 2 or 3 in any of the value, you won't have the value for b, because after differentiating you won't have the b value. So it must be in the real numbers set. Understood? If you have any doubts, please say that in the comment section.